to be making jollof rice. Here are all the ingredients you need. You need 1/4 cup of oil. It could be any kind. You'll need African jollof rice seasoning. You need 2 teaspoons. Tomato paste. You need 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. 1 teaspoon of salt. 1 teaspoon of pepper, which I already added. You'll need 1 teaspoon of Maggi, and then 1 teaspoon of curry. So I already added the grinded onions, and I already washed the rice. So next you'll need 1 teaspoon of curry.
Boiling water. You forgot to say boiling water.
And then also you'll need to boil water. Now you'll need 1 teaspoon of Maggi. This is enough. Next you'll need 1 teaspoon. Next you'll need 1 teaspoon of salt. And now you'll need 2 teaspoons of African jollof rice. Let me open this. And finally, you'll need 1 tablespoon. You'll need 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. And then mix up the tomato paste. And then finally, you'll need 1/4 cup of oil. Okay. And now you mix it together. Or stir it. Okay, now hold on. Now you cover it. And then let it boil. And then once it boils, you can pour the rice in and then stir it. Okay, now you need to pour the rice in. Okay, now you need to, excuse me. Now you need to stir the rice. Okay, now that's enough stirring. And now you need to cover it and let the rice boil for about 20 minutes. And it should, and then you wait until the rice is at least soft and it comes up. Okay, now you have to just be checking the rice every like 5 to 10 minutes to see how it's cooking. And then you can also add accessories like chicken or fish or anything else or meat. Yeah. So you just like check it every 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, it's been about 10 minutes and I'm just gonna be tasting to see if the seasoning is enough. It's okay to me. Yeah. Okay, now I'm gonna be checking this about another 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, so now the rice is starting to look a little bit more like first. Let me like taste some to see if it's soft. The rice is getting pretty soft. I reduced the heat a little bit so that it won't burn. I'm pretty sure in another 5 minutes, it should be ready. Okay, so it's been about 20 minutes. I'm going to check one last time to see if the rice is ready. The rice is soft and it looks ready. Okay. Okay, thank you guys for watching. See you guys next time. Bye.